Facebook page unpublished. How to get it back? So first off, you just have to go to your account. Just click your account icon. So once you're here, just click settings and privacy and click settings. Now once you are in here, my account is not unpublished, but you can see in the options, just click new experience, but mine is not available because my account is published and it's not unpublished. Once you've seen a new experience in here in the settings and privacy, just click that, and you could see things like this, but it says restriction, and you just have to click continue. That you might disagree, and you have to explain why you have to get it back, why you want to get your Facebook back, and you have to explain them why, or why do you have bad quality in all of your posts, or they might have disagreed in some of your posts, and you might have to explain them from what's going on. And once it's done, the Facebook has the handle to publish your page account again, and that's it.